Hey guys, as a content creator that I am, and you are, or you might potentially be, and you're looking to know how much YouTube can pay you for some certain amount of views on YouTube, you are at the right place. Because I have a playlist explaining everything in details, right? Go to my channel, go to my playlist, you're going to see how much YouTube pay you for certain views, and go there and binge watch as much as you can. But this particular video that you're watching now, we're going to be talking about how much YouTube pay you or YouTube pay content creators for over 600,000 views here on YouTube. And I know if that's what you want to watch, sit back, like this video, and subscribe. So let's get right into this video. So this is where I've written everything down, right? This is where I've written everything down, all the details about this video. So let's get right into it. A channel that made over 650k views on YouTube, how much they're likely to pay them on YouTube, right? They got that particular video that got 650k, got over 36.5k watch hours. That means people watched and watched and watched and kept watching. And 36.5k watch hour is over a month if we're calculating on mathematical terms, right? It's over a month. People watched a lot of those videos. For example, if a video is 10 minutes long and people are able to watch 5 to 6 minutes, yes, you're going to make good amount of money here on YouTube. Same thing applies to TikTok. If people don't watch your videos up to a minute long, you cannot make money. I want to learn how to make money on TikTok. Link is in the description. So how to make money on YouTube, description box. So back to what we're talking about. So the particular video that got 750k views got over 906 subscribers. Like that's a lot of subscribers from just one video here on YouTube. So how much did they make? That's a big deal we're here for. They made over $3,555.18 here on YouTube. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money for someone, for something you don't want to miss out. So get your ass up and get into making YouTube videos on YouTube, because you don't want to miss out on 3k dollars on from just one video here on YouTube. So the get a niche that made that amount of money is a finance niche. Yeah, finance niche. That's the niche I mean. Finance niche is a niche, one of the most profitable niches on YouTube. Like the most profitable niche on YouTube. Here on YouTube, finance niche is the highest paying niches on YouTube. I want to learn about content that pay the most on YouTube. Obviously, in the description box, go and check it out and check the content that pay the most on YouTube and want to pay the least, so you can avoid those lists and focus on the most paying content on YouTube. Another juicy thing I have to give you guys is the content. This particular video that got 750 views, how much money did they make per day? Like, you know, on YouTube, it always goes up and down, up and down. It is not really static. It's always changing. Some days you can make like up to $200. Some days you can make as low as 10 cents, or you understand. So it keep going up and down, right? One particular video got over 173.32 dollars per day. That means they even passed the threshold from just one day, from just one earning they made in one day, and from just one video. And it's a finance niche. So this is an opportunity for you and an opportunity for me to hop into making finance videos here on YouTube, so we can make cool cash, cool money here on YouTube. And yes, if you want to enjoy content like this more and more, I have a playlist on my channel. Tap on my channel, subscribe, like this video, and go to my playlist on my channel, and you go to binge watch content that pay you up to 1 million, 1.5, 2 million views here on YouTube. And I will see you guys on a different video. Do well to like this video, do well to do the drill, subscribe, because that's how I make my own money too. So subscribe, like this video, drop a comment on how much, on the kind amount of views you want me to review next on YouTube. Drop a comment in the comment section and I'll review just that. And I'll see you guys on a different video.